He is ready to be the voice of reason and fairness inside the ring.
Sure, Corey.
The following contest is a triple threat tag team match. Please welcome the special referee for this match, Bischoff.
Whether he's behind the scenes, in the ring, or serving as a guest referee, I'm not so sure Eric Bischoff is a guy you can trust.
How dare you, Saxton? Bischoff knows this business inside and out and will do a great job as our referee, just like he has in the past.
Oh yeah, like when he played spoiler and turned a blind eye to cheating.
At least give Bischoff a chance, Byron. Maybe he's turned over a new leaf.
I know for a fact the referees backstage are excited to see this guy work.
Yeah, because he's going to make them look good in comparison. Who's here? The People's Champion!
The Brahma Bull looks ready to lay the smackdown.
First, from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 275 pounds, The Rock!
Yeah, I can't even imagine living The Rock's life.
Can you guys believe The Rock wouldn't even let me try on his $500 shirt?
Of course I can believe it, because your bank account's about $499 short.
The Brahma Bull has an immense amount of momentum behind him.
Yeah, and you can see that he's dead set on regaining his spot at the top.
The Great One is here.
These days, Rock is more than great. We are looking at the final boss.
Maybe the most famous man on earth.
The Rock always makes an epic arrival.
And from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the WWE People's Champion, The Rock!
And we know The Rock is always looking to bring more glory to his family while growing his own personal legacy.
Thinks no one is on his or his family's level. The Rock is in a class all his own. That's what makes him the final boss.
A point proven many times over throughout an illustrious career. And The Rock has come back to prove it again. Let's be honest, gentlemen, anything The Rock does is the biggest of all time.
And there's an electrifying energy in this building.
Yeah, I think we can all agree that the crowd right now knows they are witnessing undeniable greatness.
WWE Universe, bask in the greatness of the final boss.
Doesn't matter if the WWE Universe boos or cheers, all the same to The Rock.
Yeah, The Rock always gets such an amazing reaction.
Love him or hate him, the final boss is a living legend.
Gentlemen, Hulkamania is about to run wild.
There is only one, the Immortal.
And from Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, the Immortal Hulk Hogan!
Hero to generations, a beacon of hope to young Hulkamaniacs like one Brian Kelly.
Oh, I know that guy. Hulk Hogan created an entire paradigm shift, transcends sports entertainment, and Hulkamania continues to run wild here tonight. Hulk Hogan's presence, it just creates a power we've never experienced before.
There are claims that Hulkamania is downright unbeatable. Tonight, we will get our answer.
This is absolutely amazing. What a legend. What a star.
The third man has arrived.
The undisputed leader of the New World Order.
And representing the NWO from Hollywood, California, weighing in at 302 pounds, Hollywood Hogan!
Well, some would call him an absolute power-hungry tyrant.
Excuse me, I think you mean genius mastermind.
Unmatched success in sports entertainment.
Unmatched box office power and unmatched physique. Cole, what you gonna do when Hollywood runs wild on you? The big red machine, Kane.
And from parts unknown, weighing in at 323 pounds, Kane!
Nothing but demonic intentions in the soul of Kane.
A being best described as a merciless destroyer.
Decades of striking fear into the hearts of the WWE Universe. The Big Red Machine.
No longer hiding behind his iconic mask.
But now there is plenty of demonic rage on his face.
And from the pits of hell, weighing in at 323 pounds, Kane!
You know, for years, WWE fans wondered what was under the mask.
Now they probably regret even asking what was under the mask.
Kane is like an unholy wrecking ball.
No escaping the rage of Kane. Tornado tag with multiple teams facing off. Things are going to get...
Oh, what a shot.
Arm control here, gonna roll through. The Maestro line.
Forces the shoulder up.
And you can't argue with the referee's count.
Kept things above board there. Nothing exciting, just fair.
And now we have The Rock.
Kane gets out of the way.
Thunderous clothesline. What devastation is Kane hatching? And just got caught with that DDT.
Oh my goodness.
And it looks like they have no problem bending the rules there. Love it or hate it, there's a certain toughness that's brought out in no DQ matches.
Yeah, no DQ matches can really test just how much a superstar can take. Sometimes.
Inside cradle applied, shoulders down.
One count and he gets his shoulder up.
And our guest official calling that one down the middle.
And keeping attention to the official, I saw no fault with his count at all there. Snapmare takeover, followed by shocking inside cradle.
More packages could be in.
A kick out after one.
And that was a by-the-book pin count.
You can't accuse our guest referee of going into business for himself after that fair count.
Big boot. And a kendo stick right to the head.
Saw what was coming and got out of dodge.
Shoulders down, cover. He comes to the rescue for his team. Meanwhile, we see The Rock.
Sharp punch. Ooh.
Getting carried to a vulnerable position here. Not a good spot to be in.
Driven down face first.
We should probably go. You can see that each strike drained their opponent's energy.
Saxton, you and I would never have that kind of chemistry.
Hey, I'd be a great teammate.
I've seen you trip over your own left foot. No thank you.
Clothesline.
Booting boot.
Simple but effective.
How are they going to get away with this?
Oh, this is bull.
Kick out at one.
Our guest referee with a textbook count.
Our guest referee showing superb reaction skills, not missing a thing.
I see how it is. Going to take any shortcut to bypass a clean competition.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a shortcut, Saxton.
Boom, what a punch.
What impact. Back suplex. Oh, no.
And Hogan facing more damage as this match continues. He's looking to go high risk from the top rope.
There is the people's punch. From the top.
Here he goes for the win. Now back to Hogan.
Oh, breaking up the pin.
Picked up and being carried around now.
This could try to end this match here and now.
He stops the pin.
This isn't over yet.
Say what you will about Eric Bischoff, but he's been on top of his ref duties tonight.
And as this match continues, I have to give it up for our referee. We've seen professional, unbiased officiating. Devastating elbow.
Can he do it? Meanwhile, we have The Rock.
Two count for Kane. And give it to the referee. That was a standard pin count for sure.
The referee showing zero favoritism at that moment.
Good defense from him. And a well-timed counter.
Lots of counters from each athlete. Impenetrable defense. Reversal after one.
Quick thinking by The Rock.
Hogan with a scoop slam. And classic Hogan.
Hogan can taste it now. Making the most of that with the pin.
And now Kane. He's got him here. He's got him up.
Taking out.
Here it comes.
No way Kane is going to recover from that.
And he decides to let his opponent out of the hold.
Might have felt like he was losing a grip and didn't want the opposition to counter out of the submission.
This is a situation you want to avoid. Great escape there. Oh, in the back of the knee. You can see it in these superstars' faces. Now the pin on Hogan. Is it enough? No! Kick out at two.
Looks like our guest official is pretty good at this ref thing.
Our special referee doing the zebra stripes proud.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
Ooh. On the knees to Mike and force. Oh, man.
Not looking good. In this position. But then to Hogan.
He's able to slip away from that.
Totally helpless at the moment.
Slam.
He's absorbing a lot of damage here. Here's the cover. I think this may... Oh, no.
Not like this. just cheap.
Here are your winners, the team of Hogan in Hollywood, Hogan.
And our special guest referee certainly added an extra amount of intrigue to this one.
And I think our winner owes some of the success to Eric Bischoff, our esteemed special guest referee.
Esteemed? Let's let the WWE Universe judge Eazy-E's performance.